Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the color inversion shortcut on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel device, in today's tutorial, I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to go down on this list until you get to the accessibility tile and select it. And then underneath display, you want to select color and motion. And there should be an area in here that says color inversion up at the top. Go ahead and select that. And then if you want to enable or disable color inversion, you can toggle this option on or off. You can also, like the title of this video, about the color inversion shortcut, if you want to enable that, toggle it to the right. Otherwise, you can disable it by clicking inside the oval again until it's grayed out here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.